This is Alan. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a couple of new recipes. Last time I made apple butter and I peeled the apples and everything, but with my arthritis in my hands, I can't do that anymore. So I'm trying a new recipe in my crock pot using applesauce and cinnamon. But I accidentally got the applesauce with sugar. I'm trying to count my sugar and carbs. So we'll just do this. I'll just take off the lid. Pull my applesauce. Oh, it did fit. I wasn't sure if it fit. I'm using white crock pot and slow cooker that my niece and nephew bought us when we first got married for Christmas. Come on, get out there, you. And it's been, this year, it'll be 18 years. Put that back here. You know what, I can throw that away. Okay, now, I gotta watch, cause last time I did it, the top came off. Make sure it's cinnamon, cause one time I did made my niece's cookies, and I accidentally put in chili powder, so that didn't work out too good. I'm gonna just put a tablespoon of that in there. And since this already has sugar, and I won't add no honey, cause I use honey in my stuff. Okay, I just want to check the recipe to make sure I got everything, cause I went to all recipes together, and then I'm also going to make maple butter, and I'm going to make homemade peanut butter. Oh, I don't like these pop-ups. Okay, that's it. Cause I don't usually use salt in any of my recipes. Okay, I'll stir it up. Where's my lid? There's my lid. Turn it on low, cause it says on low. Oh, that's warm. Low. And you gotta stir it with, not all the time, but a couple times. And I'm gonna take another video in 7 to 8 hours after it's done. You can see the new product, and then the applesauce. Hopefully it turns out. Tune in to the next video. I'm gonna be making peanut butter.